Hello guys, welcome to the video. This video is an educational video, so stick around to learn stuff, okay? Ow! Today's informational video is about a gargantuous YouTuber by the name of Pewdiepie. Pew, because he was studied by the Pew researchers, and die is like what happens when you step on a beetle, and pie as that like round stuff you eat. I don't know why he called himself that. PewDiePie himself is 30 years old, or in other words, a little over 11,000 days old. He himself says that the Pew in his name stands for the sound of a laser, which is also the color of my face. And the die stands for what will happen if I hang upside down for too long. He never says what pie stands for, but I really assume that's a pie. His real name is Felix, except that's not his whole name. His first middle name is Arvid. That is a really weird name. It must be people from Sweden just come up with weird names. His second middle name is Ulf. You see, when he was coming out, they were going to name him Elf. But when he popped out, he wasn't green, so they named him Ulf. And his last name is Kjulberg. Like, Kjulberg. I feel very Kjulberged right now. I feel red. He was... He was born in Gothenburg, Sweden, but now resides in England. Am I red? I feel very red. How about we take this moment to commemorate all the hard, upside-down, tipsy-turvy work I put into this video. So how about you go down and hit that button that's the same color as my face. Okay, the button. Yeah, it's like square, and it's the same color as my face. See if you can find it. Let's play hide and seek, okay? Then after you hit that, hit the like button once. And if you don't like this video, hit the dislike button twice, okay? Okay, let's get back to more very informational stuff. Over the years, PewDiePie grew his channel and eventually became the most subscribed to YouTuber, got more and more subscribers, first to 15 million on YouTube ever, and he kept going. August 25th, 2019, he achieved 100 million subscribers. That is 5.882 million times bigger than this YouTube channel. Should I mention the red button that's the same color as my face again, or should I not? Anyway, that's huge. That's massive. He is right now the second most subscribed to YouTube channel, but the biggest YouTuber ever. The only YouTube channel bigger than him is an Indian music label company called T-Series that has like a crud ton of subscribers. PewDiePie died in the year... Oh, that's right, he hasn't died yet. Okay, well, if you haven't noticed by now, this video is not so much informational or educational. It's more just a video of me hanging upside down because I wanted to make a video of me hanging upside down. Please comment below how many times you think I had to turn right side up and upside down to get this all shot. And like the video if you liked it. And please subscribe for more very educational videos and vlogs. Goodbye. Kind of a weird phenomenon when you grab a bar so hard, your hands just like don't want to open. It feels awful and it kind of hurts.